So here I've got the Mindspace Utensil Caddy, and that's because I recently moved into my new place and I don't have anywhere to keep all my utensils. They're just kind of piling up on themselves. And so let's get this out and check it out and get my stuff into it. Here you can see it right here. It's a nice metal mesh. It's got this little handle on it so you can easily carry it around if you have to. Looks like it does come with some kind of warranty card or something like that. It's got a little tag on it that we can get rid of. We don't need that tag. But you can see here that it does have 4 different compartments. There's one big compartment right here, and then 3 different compartments right here. It feels like a nice, strong mesh material that you could really put it anywhere in your kitchen cabinet and it's not going to get banged up. You could probably even take this outside to barbecues and things like that and not have to worry about it. You could put it in your heavier duty utensils and spatulas and things like that that you carry around for your barbecue. It looks like it's about 7 inches in that direction, and then coming in this direction it looks like it's a little over 9 inches, and then for its height it's about 4 1/4 inch. So let's go put my utensils in it and see if it actually keeps them all in place. So you'll actually see here that a lot of my forks and spoons and knives are still in their packages because I haven't had any way to organize them. So I've only had out a couple forks, a couple spoons, and just one knife like this. But just for ease of reference, you can see how easily they all fit in here. I've got, I think, 10 forks here, 10 spoons, and 10 knives as well, and those fit really well. And then I have the salt and pepper shakers right here, and these are kind of like the larger ones, and those fit in there super easily. And then there's still room left over even for my garlic right there. So plenty of room right there. One thing I will note is that if you have a lot of weight on one side and not a lot of weight on the other side, obviously this isn't going to balance too well as you pull up on it. So you want to make sure that it's nice and balanced if you're going to be using this handle right here. But overall, I'd say it's a great little utensil carrier, and it definitely improves the outlay of my kitchen. So I'm thankful for it, and I think you'll like it too if you're looking for something like this.